Hey there, it's Rick Khan from rickkhan.com, and over the next few minutes I'm going to reveal how to build a sales funnel to make selling easy with these 5 proven frameworks. And this is even if you have zero business or marketing experience. Here's why. Each framework revealed in this video can be tailored towards your specific needs and can be unique for you and your business. And depending on your situation, whether you're just starting out or already have something in place, by the end of this video, you'll have the best strategy to implement immediately, turning prospects into customers, and that's without wasting time or struggling with overcomplicating framework. Now, just before getting into it, there is a method behind these funnels on how to build it all out. And this is without spending silly money on expensive funnel softwares or taking high price courses, where I show you step by step, holding your hand with my free blueprint guide, where you can get below or by visiting the link that should be showing up on this video now. But with all this said, let's just jump into the first campaign framework, which this is more suitable to people who are just starting out and going through the testing of a product or a service, and they just want to know what they have works. Because ultimately, you must get your message and your audience to match in order for everything to work. And this framework is designed to help with this. And the best thing is, it's the quickest thing to test, which is starting with testing cold audience traffic. Now, I have Facebook pay-per-click, Pinterest, blogs, YouTube, Instagram, basically having an omnipresence. Then once I build my message, I then like to try out this message with all of my audiences, but also using a lead generation campaign on Facebook pay-per-click. And that's using a single opt-in that links to a series of emails. I then get my subscribers to respond to give me feedback from the initial value from the lead magnet. This helps to find out what works and what doesn't. But here's the thing, what's so good about this is that not only am I collecting emails, but I've got this list as my asset that I can send them offers when I'm ready to advance my funnel. And also, you can use this list to add into Facebook to create lookalike audiences or even retarget them. But for me, perhaps best of all, I own the land. If social goes tomorrow, this list will always be mine to keep. But with that said, this simple testing campaign is so easy to build out that if you're new to online marketing and you just need to figure out what the market responds to, this framework helps with doing just that. Then moving to the next campaign framework, here is when you have part or all of your products set up and have all the tech side done with taking payments. And what this really is, it's a simple cold traffic connection to your offer, and that's it. See how it doesn't need to be overcomplicated. Now with this, I've done multiple ads direct to the offer page, and it's always given me the best feedback from the market. Because think about it, anyone willing to pull out a credit card and pay for what you have is always going to be your best people. And all you're doing in this funnel is taking everyone you have in your cold audience and then sending them directly to your offer. And one thing to mention is that the offer you create here is usually very irresistible. That usually gets people to take an impulsive decision with big price drops. I've sold many things with 75 to even 90% off for the first time, and included many amazing bonuses that's hard to refuse. Then I take this money and then invest it directly back into Facebook pay-per-click, which then leads me to the gate and the offer campaign. Basically, all you do here is put an opt-in in front of your offer to drive leads, and then use the offer as your one-time offer page. This can help lower the cost of your pay-per-click ads and get you more traffic to your offer. But something to mention here, this campaign structure is suited to those who have all of these components and who need to demonstrate value before asking for the sale or giving the results in advance. Because I generally find, depending on what you're selling, going directly to the offer is sometimes simply enough, as people are just ready to buy. Whereas some other people still need more before making that purchase. And giving them something from your lead magnet, it'll help demonstrate or show an experience, and that helps pre-frame people to buy. But saying that, once your prospects go through this part of the funnel, the email is where you follow up, sending them more value across your emails and asking for the sale through the sequence. And once you dial all of this down, then it gets more advanced, where this is suited to those who have their campaign frameworks running and working and are ready to go for the profit if you're running pay-per-click ads. Because organic traffic, that's just direct financial profit. But if you're running ads, the purpose is just to break even at the ad spend when you acquire a customer. And getting to profit comes from the back end offers. So to help you get there in the shortest time possible, you have 2 things that you can do, which is 1, just add a simple order bump. Basically, let's say you have an offer at $27, then you would follow a logical order of how you can help them with more to offer, and the order bump is where you can do it. This usually prices a little higher than your main offer. So for me at $27, I have many order bumps at $37. Now here's the thing, you could potentially see up to 30% of these sell. That's absolutely huge when you have a volume of traffic coming through. And then to add more fuel to the fire, add an upsell. It can simply be a short video that gives something of high value, and that's usually priced higher than both the offer and the order bump, where I have one currently at $97. Again, this can give you a sale of up to 15 to 30% sales increase. And I can't say this enough, if you don't have this, you're literally leaving money on the table. I mean, here's the thing, they've already purchased, so why not ask again? You're not going to lose them for it. Now, again, with this campaign framework, you have the emails that you'll always continue to deliver more value and create more offers. And remember this, each time that you're creating offers, you'll begin to get better at writing copy, because ultimately copy is what will move your business forward. But with that said, here's the warm audience campaign framework. Now, this is suited for those who have a proven evergreen campaign framework working, but it's essentially creating more offers and sending them to emails, warm traffic, pay-per-click advertising, or any other social platform that you may have. You basically want to start with giving more value, helping people achieve their outcomes, and sending them more offers to these people. And from there, that's pretty much it. Now, I know there's so much information out there when it comes to funnels, and the gurus, they overcomplicate each of these, and it's just simply not needed. Just go through the campaign framework that works for you best, where the first funnel is just to help test your message and build your audience. And then next is to test if people are willing to pull a credit card out. And this will also help you with any ad spend, to then making it all into a sequence that drives leads and sales at the same time, leading to getting into high profit margins all the way down to continue to build that relationship with your list and send more offers to continue the path of helping people and making money whilst doing it. So I'm going to make sure to leave a link below, or you can also go to the link shown in the video here to help you get the free book and help build all of this out for you. It's all mapped out there and it's simple to use. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.